Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing something simple but yet highly packed in nutrients. So guys, the first ingredient here is milk, and it's plant-based milk. I'm using soy. So the second one there is apple. As we all know, an apple a day keeps daughter away. Then here is our kiwi. 2 kiwis. Then here is our cut cucumbers, freshly prepared. So guys, sit back, let's jump right into the juicy part. So guys, I've cut and prepped all our ingredients. We have the apple. We know that apple is very important. It helps with the digestive system, it helps with weight loss, keeps you full. And here is our kiwi. It fights cancer, reduces the blood sugar level, reduces blood pressure. And our milk is a source of protein. It helps us build muscle and build our body. And cucumber, I cannot talk about it enough. It has a lot of water. It helps you get full, helps your digestive system. So guys, let's blend everything up. So I'll start by throwing in my cucumbers. Like I said earlier, cucumbers are packed with nutrients. They have a lot of water. They keep you full. They help your digestive system. They prevent constipation. And that's our kiwi. It fights cancer, helps lower blood pressure and sugar level. And that's our apple. Yes, it has high fiber content and antioxidant property. And there goes our milk, for strong bones and teeth, for bodybuilding. So guys, everything is shaping up, and look at how that looks. So the next thing is to blend away. So we are done blending. We're going to transfer it into the cup and see how everything looks. So there you have it guys. This is yummy. It looks very delicious and is highly nutritious. It fights cancer, helps with weight loss, improves your skin, lowers blood pressure and your blood glucose level, guys, and it relieves the indigestion and reduces bloating. Oh my god, the importance are so numerous to mention. So guys, please try this drink and let me know what you think. Enjoy. Please like my video, share it, drop your comments in the comment section, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and come back next time. Bye bye.